the road tonight. Get some good deals on ammo, guys. Going to my local Walmart, picking up some ammo. Hopefully, they still got any in stock. They got Federal 200 round packs for $30, $15 a box of 100, guys. Gotta go get some of this. Think another fellow YouTuber who video I seen a little while ago put a link in, said my local Walmart had them, so hope they do. I'm in pursuit of happiness right now, guys. This is a good deal. You gotta get these good deals while they last. Walmart, they don't stand by the Second Amendment anymore. They've thrown us to the wolves. So we're going to benefit for that until it's over, and then after that, I'm not shopping back there anymore. I've been waiting patiently for this because I figured it would happen. They get close to their inventory running out and everything. I've heard different things from local Walmarts and different people. Like I said, I'm the ammo wizard, guys. I go around and do this all the time. I talk to the people at counters and stuff at the sporting goods. And one of them told me that they're going to wait until the inventory runs out, and then they go. Somebody else on the internet said the same thing, and then one of them told me that they had contract with some of these companies, or all these companies, and they have to wait till the contract runs out before they actually quit selling the stuff. Which I understand a contract, but if you want to stand behind something, you should do it immediately. You want to take a loss on it, not sell all your inventory. I'm sure Dick's didn't sell out all their ARs before they decide to stop selling them. They took a big loss on it, and I was hoping they'd actually go under, because Dick's are actually Dick's. They're overpriced, and most of them are stuck-up Dick's. Can't get help. They want to act like, I don't know why, guys. They're not very friendly. And the ones that I've been into, and I've been into several and different states too, even Tennessee. I'm going to take my business to Bass Pro Shop, Cabela's, Sportsman's Warehouse. Online, guys, online. That's where it's at. But Walmart's going to help us out right now and give us some ammo for cheaper prices. So I'm all aboard for that. We're on the way to get ammo.